Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I have blue, black, and white. You're also going to need a couple feet of string, and if you need more, you can always tie more on. You're also going to need some scissors, and I have a needle that's optional. Okay, to get started, you want to lay out your beads, and you can stop the video, and the count goes 2, 1, 2, 1, and so on. And once you have all your beads out, you can take your string, and you're going to fold it in half. And starting with the blue, we're going to put one on each side. And just let those fall. The next one, black, both strings will go through. Blue on each side. Blue, both strings will go through. White, one on each side. White, both strings will go through. And then we're going to put a white on each side. Blue, both strings will go through. And our last two beads, we'll put one on each side. And you're going to grab these ends and pull your beads down the string. And you're going to tighten that up and tie your strings together. And this is what it looks like. Go ahead and put your needle on if you're going to use one. And we're going to go through this blue bead. We're going to add a blue, black, white, black, flip it over. We're going to add blue, another blue. The next two beads will be white. And the last one on this row is going to be blue. And what we need to do is make a path to get back to this bead. So we're going to have to go down these two blue. Okay, so we added this one and we went down these two. Now we're going to go up these two blue and then down this one. And that's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to add one blue. The next two beads are white. We're going to add a black. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add a blue. Black. White. The next two beads are blue. And we're going to need to make a path back to this bead. So we're going to go down these two. Up these two. And then down this one. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add 4 blue. Okay, when you get to the end here, we need to make a path to get over to this bead. So we're going to go down the blue and the black. We're going to go up the black bead right here and then down this blue one. We're going to flip it over. We're going to add 3 blue. Okay, for right now, okay, we're going to tie the string on here just to keep it in place. And we're going to put our string on. I mean our needle on. And we're going to go through this blue. We're going to work on the other side here. We're going to add a blue, black, white, black. Go ahead and flip it over. This row, we're going to add 2 blue, 2 white, and the last one for this row is going to be blue. And we need to make a path to get back to this bead, so we're going to go down these 2 blue. We're going to go up these 2 blue and then down this one. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add a blue, 2 white, blue. Go ahead and flip it over. We're going to add 2 blue, 1 white, and 2 blue. And we need to make a path to get back to this bead. Ow. So we're going to go down these 2. I just poked myself with that needle. Ugh. We're going to go up these 2 and down this one. Flip it over. And this row is all blue. Okay, we need to make a path to get to this bead. So we're going to go down the blue and this black. We're going to go up this blue and then down this one. Flip it over. This string's just a little bit thinner than I'm used to, so this needle keeps coming off. All right, this row we have 3 blue to add. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now just like we did before, I'm going to go up here and tie this so it stays in place. And we need to get back down to this blue bead here. So I'm going to go down all 3 of these blue and then up this one. And we're going to add 2 blue beads. And what we're going to do is, so we have the 2 beads. We have the 2 beads we added. We're going to go through that second one and the one that we are coming out of. And now we need to get up to this bead, so we're going to go through all 3 of these. And you might need to adjust this a little bit. We're going to add 2 beads and do the same thing here. Go through the second one and then this bead. You know what? I'm going to see if I can get that to go. Yeah, here we go. I want this one to kind of be flexible. So instead of going... Here, let me redo that so you can see it. Okay, so we added... So we have our two beads here. We're going to go through the second one. And instead of going straight down, we're going to go up through the bead. So you have string on both sides of the bead. That way this little piece can be moved around. If you want it to go up, you can have it up. If you want it sideways, you have more flexibility with it. Okay, now we're going to go down this bead and then up this one. We're going to add 2 blue. And this time we will go straight down. I think. Yeah. And if you wanted to, you could add more of these for more hair. And now we're going to go up. We're going to repeat the same thing we did over here on this side. So we have our 2 beads. We're going to go down the second one and this bead. I'm going to go down this bead and then up these 2 to get over here. We're going to add 2 blue. And we're going to go through that second one and up this one because we want some flexibility on this one. So you have string on both sides. Now we need to make a path to get over to this bead. So we're going to have to go down these 3. Oh, the string's getting in my way. Okay, we went down these 3. And then we're going to go up this bead. And we're going to add our last 2 beads. We're going to go down the second one and this one. You know, I feel like I want some more hair. Maybe like 2 more up here. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this needle and go up this bead and these 2. And if this is enough hair for you, you could tie it right here. But I don't know. I feel like this guy needs a couple more pieces. Yeah, I'm going to add some more. So I'll leave it running. Last minute decisions. You know, I don't know. Sometimes things change as you're working. Okay, but I really want to come out of this bead, I think. So we're going to have to make a path. I'm going to go down these 2. And then up these 2. Okay, so we added our 2. We're going to go through the second one and this one. Yeah, okay, I like that fuller better. And now I need to get over to this bead. So I'm just taking my string and going back and forth until I get up here. And we're going to add the last 2 blue. Go through the second one and the one we're coming out of. Yeah, okay, I like that better. And I'm going to take my needle and go up through this bead, and I'm going to tie right here on this side. Yeah, this was my first time making this, so I was unsure about the hair, but I'm glad I added some more. And then we can tie this string over here. Okay, and now you can pull these like little end beads to straighten them out or have them go whatever way you want. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.